Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to download Sildurs shaders for Minecraft. So let's get started. Go to your browser and search CurseForge. Click on this website. Then click on Minecraft. Then click on shader from the categories option. Search Sildurs shaders and download it. Now search for Optifine on Google. Now download Optifine and install it. Copy the Sildurs shader files. Then go to App Data folder. From here, click on .minecraft folder. Then click on Shader Packs folder. Paste the files here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.